Imagine being able to log into your favorite apps and websites with just a few taps, without having to memorize complex passwords or dig through your password manager. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the thing. Android's autofill experience has been lagging behind iPhones for far too long. While Google has made some progress, there's still a lot of room for improvement. That's why the latest Gboard update is such a big deal. It's tackling one of the most frustrating issues with autofill on Android. But here's where it gets interesting. This new feature is only available for Google Password users, at least for now. As part of the latest Google Play System update and Gboard release, some Android users are reporting a new Use Autofill with Google prompt that appears when they bring up the keyboard in a text field. Once enabled, it shows up as a shortcut in Gboard's toolbar, allowing you to select between passwords and payment methods for autofill purposes. And this is the part most people miss. For payment methods, you'll need to enter the CVV code for the selected credit or debit card, adding an extra layer of security. Without this autofill option, you had to wait for Gboard to recognize the field and show the relevant login details, or manually open the password manager and copy-paste the login credentials, a tedious process that's enough to drive anyone crazy. Apple already offers a similar feature on the iPhone, where you can long press a text field and tap autofill to bring up your password manager. But Google's implementation has one major catch. You'll only see the login credentials for the specific app or website you're using. If the password manager doesn't have an associated entry, the field will appear blank. Ideally, the feature should let you search your password vault and pick the correct login details directly. So, what does this mean for you? Well, autofill with Google for Gboard appears to be rolling out widely, with 9to5 Google reporting that Google is pushing out this feature as part of the latest Play services and Gboard beta. And the best part? This doesn't seem to be a limited rollout, as it's already showing up on some devices. However, there's a downside. The feature only works with Google Password Manager and not with other password managers. On the bright side, after a delay of a few months, Google Chrome finally integrates and works well with third-party password managers. Here's hoping Google brings the same deep integration to Gboard. But here's the question. Do you think Google should prioritize deeper integration with third-party password managers or focus on improving its own password manager first? Let us know in the comments. And this is the part where we ask, what do you think is the most frustrating part of the autofill experience on Android, and how do you think Google can improve it? Share your thoughts, and let's get the conversation started.